My name is Sayanti and welcome to my channel Sayanti Fine Art. My channel is all about art, drawing and painting in particular. My art is all about expressions. I express my views, thoughts, visions, feelings and emotions through my art. Although my personal style of art is figurative compositions, here in my channel I have tutorials of all different kinds, starting from how to paint bubbles, flowers, animals, and go up to portrait tutorials and everything else under the sun that can be a part of art. In my channel, I have painting tutorials posted every Wednesday and Friday in the evening Eastern Standard Time hours. I work in oil paints, acrylics, oil pastels, and watercolors. So no matter what medium you're interested in, I have got you covered. My channel is appropriate for all artists and art enthusiasts no matter what level of expertise you are in, starting from beginners to advanced and everyone in between. So what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and subscribe and be a part of this art channel and community. And don't forget to introduce yourself by putting your name in the comments. Thank you and welcome to share my art journey with me.